So we just checked in at Winchester Lodge in Fredericksburg. We have a nice little porch out here. You go through this door to our room upstairs. A little table with a wine rack and glasses, champagne we got on check-in, little armoire closet, microwave, beautiful bed, TV, little welcome snack basket. It's a big bathroom and the shower's huge. Have a little balcony out here where you can look out to patio and the pool and another patio area that has a fireplace. And we're about a block off, well, we are 1 block off of Main Street in Fredericksburg. Very nice.